All right, everybody's been asking me and they want to know what's the story with where did these come from? How did I acquire them and everything? So this is quite the story. I'm probably gonna have to do this in a couple of videos. So I showed you this old set of chopper pipes and I've got a picture of the guy that gave me these chopper pipes that are off of, so he's got a 42 WLC, in which I happen to find a 43. His is, he wants to build it back to original. Anyways, these pipes, they come off of the first motorcycle that I remember seeing when I was little, like, I don't know, whatever, 3, 4 years old. That's where these pipes come from. Off of my friend Wally's 1942 WLC. Ever since that day, I was hooked on, I wanted to find an old motorcycle. And so I go to look at that one I bought 4 years ago, I think it was, the 1963 FLH. While I'm looking at it, I see the top end of this one, just the heads of this, sticking out over some boxes on a shelf back in the corner. And the guy that I'm talking to about this one, I've got pictures of him too. I said, when I seen the top end of the 43, the flathead, the 43, I said, what's that? I said, that's what I've been looking for my whole life. So this one, the old flathead, and that one, I got them both from the same guy. How cool is that? That one was together, but it never been running. Bob was the guy's name. He owned that for 14 years, had never seen it run, never started it. This one, the old flathead, it was a basket case, total boxes of parts. Get at her, get her done. Get them put together. You only live once. Pretty soon, you're gonna wake up and your hair's gonna be gray or white, and they'll be calling you Santa Claus. All right, I'll do another video and explain more of the story. So, carrying on with more of the story of Wally and Bob in these old bikes. And so Wally's old bike, he tore it apart 50 years ago and he has never put it together. And then, so whatever, the last 15 years or whatever, every time I bumped into Wally, I'd always tease him and bug him about, are you ready to sell me that 1942 yet? No, I'm gonna put it together someday. Well then, when I find this one and this one, of course it's a basket case, then the next time I bump into Wally, I say, Wally, I got a 1943 WLC. I said, you better get busy with your project in the basement because I'm going to beat you to it. And so here, well, that picture, the last video that I did, and Wally was sitting on my old bike here. That was whatever, a month ago or 2 months ago, whatever. And yeah, I beat Wally to it. So pretty excited about it. And so is he. And so anyways, Wally, 50 years, still hasn't got her together. And okay, I'm gonna dig through and I'll add a picture or a couple pictures on the back end when I find them and I'll do another video carrying on with the story of this beautiful 1963 FLH. And I've got a video of the first time I started it too. Oh, so cool. I don't know. I hope you guys like motorcycles, because that's pretty much all I talk about on these videos anyways. All right, take care. Well, carrying on with the story of this, of both these, the 63 and the 43. So I make the deal with Bob of, yeah, okay, well then I gotta go to now I got 2 motorcycles I gotta pick up, so I gotta go and get a trailer because boxes of parts of the 43, I didn't have enough room in my short box pickup to pick it all up, so I had to go get a trailer. Anyways, then when I go back with the trailer to pick up the bike, and here's Bob. Bob's limping really bad. And what'd you do? Well, and he had never heard this run before. And this here, he was gonna try and start it. And he pulled his pant leg up and he had a bruise about that big around, right in the back of his calf muscle. Oops. He tried to start it and I don't know, I wasn't there. I don't know if he had sandals on or what he was doing. Anyways, it kicked back at him and it gave him one sweet kicker pedal kiss. Anyways, enough garble of that. I'm gonna try and tag on a video on the back end of this one, or whatever. I'll do another video of once I pick the bike up, I take it to my buddy's place, I kick it over whatever 8-10 times, pull the spark plugs out, put a little splash of gas in each plug hole. First kick, it's running. So it smokes lots, it's running really rich, but it runs, purrs just beautiful. This is in November, and whatever, I got a couple of short videos here, I'll post them. So November, I think it was first week of November, I'm out. I take her for a ride. It's snowing, but gotta love it. All right, have a great day, everybody.
Oh, a close one.
Want to run backwards there?
slides off the back of the seat though. It's back to the slippery. It's like, whoa.
Oh, that power from that band.